Now that we've had some practice with factoring by pulling out our greatest common factor, let's actually solve an equation. So we have a polynomial equation here. Notice that this is not linear. We have this x or 2x squared right here. So we cannot just go through the order of operations in reverse to solve this equation. But what we can do is take advantage of the zero product property. We can write this expression as a product, as two different factors multiplied together, and I can take advantage of the fact that when I multiply two values together and get zero, the only way that's going to happen is if either my first factor is zero or my second factor is zero. So let's factor 2x squared minus 8x. So in terms of your greatest common factor, and you know what, here, we'll do the picture way here real quick. So I have 2x squared right here. And I have negative 8x right here. I want to put my GCF right out here. So my greatest common factor between 2x squared and 8x, well, I can pull out a 2. 2 would evenly divide both of these numbers. And I can pull out an x. It's my smallest exponent. 2x times what gives me 2x squared? That would be x. 2x times what gives me negative 8x? That's negative 4. So this 2x squared minus 8x can be rewritten as 2x times the quantity x minus 4 equals 0. Now that I have this written as a product, I can take advantage of the zero product property. I have all I need to be able to use this. I have 0 on one side of the equation, and I have the other side of the equation written as a product. So if I have something times something else getting 0, there's only two possibilities. Either the first factor is 0, so you need to find out when does 2x equal 0, or your second factor is 0. And solving these equations, 2 times what would give me 0, or divide both sides by 2, this would be 0. So there's one solution, and x minus 4 equals 0 would give me x equals 4. And there are my two solutions. And let's just do a quick check, make sure we did this correctly. So if I substitute in 0 right here for x, this would be 2 times 0 squared minus 8 times 0 equals 0. 0 squared is 0, 0 times 2 is 0, 8 times 0 is 0, and 0 minus 0 is 0. That checks out. Let's try the 4. So if I have 2 times, plugging in 4 for x here, 2 times 4 squared minus 8 times 4. 4 squared, 4 times 4 is 16. 16 times 2 would be 32. 8 times 4 is 32. And 32 minus 32 is 0. So these are good solutions. Final answer, x equals 0, x equals 4.